Hey everybody, it's been a while since I've done a guy's deal of the day, but last night I found one I need to tell you about. It's only a 3-day sale at Market Street grocery stores here in northern Dallas. I go to the one in McKinney on El Dorado, but there's a couple locations. But the next 2 days actually started yesterday and goes 22nd, 23rd, 24th at Market Street grocery stores. They've got choice prime rib for $4.97 a pound. That's insanely low price. I'm on a lot of national barbecue sites and Facebook groups and stuff. Meat prices are going up, up, up. So if you can get choice, ribeye, bone-in rib roast, prime rib basically for $4.97 a pound, that's a great deal. I bought one for our Christmas Eve dinner and one that I'm going to cut into 4 really nice ribeye steaks and vacuum seal them for another time. But hey, that's the deal I thought you should know about, and I'll talk to you later.